I'm doing unboxing the Mario Edition. There's the console. Joy-Cons. Joy-Con, see? First one. Other Joy-Con. Console. Oops.
Oh, it comes with accessories.
Case. Screen protector. HDMI. Power grips. Power grips. Another controller. Power. And dock. That's it.
So you had a Switch before, didn't you?
Yeah.
So now a new one?
Yeah, because I like this one. It's very nice. That's why I upgrade.
So what's the difference between this one and the one you actually have?
This one you can play on your TV.
And the other one?
You couldn't.
What was the other one? What kind?
Switch Lite.
Oh, okay.
And I can transfer this stuff on my Switch Lite to my new Switch.
I see. Thanks for showing us.
Please subscribe.